Embark on a journey where innovation meets everyday essentials as we unveil Dyson's remarkable story. In this captivating video, we explore the extraordinary rise of Dyson and its visionary founder, James Dyson. Discover the secrets behind Dyson's early years, where James Dyson's relentless curiosity ignited a mission to transform cleaning, cooling, and styling. From game-changing vacuum cleaners to powerful hand dryers, whisper-quiet fans, and groundbreaking hairdryers, Dyson has revolutionized mundane tasks with awe-inspiring technology. We delve into the challenges Dyson faced along the way, and we unravel 5 key takeaways for aspiring innovators, from embracing curiosity to daring disruption. From vacuum cleaners to ventures into headphones and even electric cars, Dyson's remarkable tale of innovation continues to captivate and inspire. This is the story of Dyson. Our story begins in Norfolk, England, in 1947, with the birth of James Dyson. Even from a young age, Dyson showcased an exceptional talent for problem-solving and an insatiable curiosity. His passion for engineering and design ignited during his formative years, leading him to pursue his studies at the prestigious Royal College of Art in London. During his time at the Royal College of Art, Dyson honed his skills and developed a deep understanding of industrial design. These transformative years laid the foundation for the breakthrough innovations he would introduce to the world. In 1982, Dyson made a significant leap forward in vacuum cleaner technology with the invention of the Dyson G-Force. This revolutionary machine featured the world's first bagless technology, powered by the innovative dual CYCLONE system. However, despite its groundbreaking design, Dyson faced initial challenges in finding manufacturers willing to embrace this disruptive concept. Undeterred, Dyson persevered, refusing to compromise on his vision. In 1991, he took a bold step and founded Dyson Limited, a company dedicated to realizing his dream of creating the most advanced and efficient vacuum cleaners on the market. With his team's unwavering support, Dyson's determination paid off. In 1993, Dyson introduced the world to the Dyson Dual CYCLONE vacuum cleaner, which forever changed the landscape of home cleaning. The Dual CYCLONE's powerful suction capabilities and revolutionary dust separation system eliminated the need for disposable bags, revolutionizing the way we approach vacuuming. Dyson's path to success gained unstoppable momentum. The world quickly recognized the superior performance and innovative features of Dyson vacuum cleaners, leading to remarkable sales figures and exponential growth for the company. By 1995, Dyson had sold over 12 million vacuum cleaners worldwide, solidifying its position as a market leader. The company's commitment to quality and cutting-edge technology resonated with consumers, and its reputation for powerful suction and efficient dust separation propelled its sales to new heights. In 2002, Dyson introduced the DC01, a vacuum cleaner that maintained 100% suction 100% of the time. This milestone achievement further solidified Dyson's dominance in the industry and captured the attention of consumers seeking unparalleled cleaning performance. With each new product launch, Dyson continued to captivate the market. In 2006, the company introduced the Air Multiplier, a revolutionary bladeless fan that quickly became an instant sensation. Its sleek design, whisper-quiet operation, and ability to deliver a steady and uninterrupted airflow resonated with consumers worldwide. As Dyson expanded its product portfolio, venturing into the realm of hand dryers, hair dryers, and air purifiers, its sales soared to remarkable heights. By 2010, Dyson's annual revenue exceeded $1 billion, firmly establishing the company as a global powerhouse in the household appliance industry. Continuing its trajectory of innovation, Dyson unveiled the 360i in 2016, the world's first robotic vacuum cleaner from the brand. This cutting-edge device incorporated advanced navigation technology and powerful suction, allowing it to effortlessly clean homes while adapting to different surfaces. The success of Dyson's innovative product line was not only reflected in its sales figures, but also in the company's expansion and global reach. By 2019, Dyson had established a presence in more than 80 countries, solidifying its position as a trusted and sought-after brand worldwide. Dyson's aspiration to develop an electric vehicle showcased the company's commitment to innovation and sustainability. In 2017, James Dyson announced plans to revolutionize the automotive industry with an EV that combined cutting-edge technology, efficiency, and user experience. Despite significant investments and a dedicated team of engineers, Dyson discontinued the electric car project in 2019. The decision was driven by the highly competitive EV market, challenges in achieving profitability, and the need for substantial infrastructure investments. While the EV project didn't materialize, Dyson's pursuit demonstrated its spirit of innovation and willingness to take risks. The company continued to expand its product range, launching innovative home appliances such as air purifiers, lighting solutions, and hair care devices. Dyson's venture into the electric vehicle market highlighted the complexities of scaling up manufacturing, supply chain development, and competing with established players. However, it exemplified the company's unwavering commitment to explore new frontiers and push boundaries. The lessons from Dyson's EV project underscore the importance of careful evaluation, market dynamics, and sustainable business models when entering disruptive industries. Despite the setback, Dyson's legacy of innovation continues to shape its ongoing success and inspire future endeavors. As they are known for groundbreaking innovations, recently Dyson made its foray into the world of headphones with the introduction of the Dyson Zone. These headphones showcase Dyson's commitment to merging technology and functionality in unique ways. The Dyson Zone headphones feature a distinctive combination of active noise cancellation and purifying airflow. Equipped with miniature air purifiers integrated into the ear cups, they utilize filters and fans to effectively remove pollutants from the air, providing a cleaner breathing experience. The purifying air is then directed towards the wearer's nose and mouth through a visor positioned in front of the face. Despite their innovative design and advanced features, the Dyson Zone headphones have faced some skepticism within the audio industry. The integration of air purification into headphones has raised questions and sparked discussions about its practicality and overall impact on the listening experience. However, Dyson remains undeterred, continuing to push boundaries and explore new frontiers in technology. Time will tell how the market responds to the Dyson's own headphones and whether they will find their place among consumers seeking a truly immersive and purifying audio experience. James Dyson and the Dyson Company have encountered significant challenges on their journey to success. One of the main hurdles they faced was overcoming technical obstacles. Dyson's innovative inventions, such as the bagless vacuum cleaner, required extensive research and development to ensure optimal performance. They had to push the boundaries of existing technologies, tackling issues like suction power, filtration, and design. Another challenge came in the form of resistance from established industries. Dyson's unconventional approaches and disruptive technologies faced skepticism and reluctance from manufacturers and distributors. Convincing them to embrace new concepts and depart from traditional methods proved to be a considerable challenge. However, Dyson's persistence and the undeniable benefits of their products eventually led to market acceptance. Protecting their intellectual property has been another ongoing challenge for Dyson. As they introduced groundbreaking inventions, they had to navigate legal battles to defend their patents against potential infringements. This required significant resources, time, and a strategic approach to safeguard their innovative ideas. Scaling up manufacturing while maintaining quality standards presented its own set of complexities. Dyson had to invest in production capabilities, supply chain management, and quality control processes to meet the increasing demand for their products. Balancing growth with maintaining the excellence they were known for was crucial to their long-term success. Operating in a global market with fierce competition posed constant challenges. Dyson had to continuously innovate, differentiate their products, and effectively market them to stand out from the competition. Navigating various market dynamics, customer preference, and adapting to changing trends required agility and strategic decision-making. Through their unwavering pursuit of excellence and their passion for redefining technology and design in everyday appliances, Dyson has emerged as a true industry trailblazer. Their journey serves as an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs and innovators, showing that with determination, resilience, and a vision for innovation, even the most daunting challenges can be overcome. Here are 5 key takeaways we can learn from Dyson's success. 1. Embrace innovation and disruption. Dyson's success stems from their relentless pursuit of innovation and their willingness to disrupt established industries. They constantly challenge the status quo and push boundaries to create revolutionary products. The lesson here is to embrace innovation, think outside the box, and be open to disrupting traditional practices in order to drive progress and achieve success. 2. Invest in research and development. Dyson's commitment to research and development has been instrumental in their success. They invest heavily in technological advancements and strive to improve their products through continuous innovation. The key takeaway is to prioritize research and development, allocate resources to drive innovation, and constantly seek ways to enhance your products or services. 3. Build a strong brand identity. Dyson has successfully established a strong brand identity that represents innovation, quality, and cutting-edge design. They have effectively communicated their brand values and differentiated themselves in the market. The lesson here is to invest in building a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Develop a clear brand message, cultivate a unique brand personality, and consistently deliver on your brand promise to create a lasting impression and competitive advantage. 4. Persistence and resilience. Dyson's path to success was not without challenges. They faced skepticism, industry resistance, and setbacks along the way. However, their persistence and resilience were vital in overcoming these obstacles. The lesson here is to persevere in the face of adversity, learn from failures, and stay committed to your vision even when faced with challenges. 5. Focus on quality and user experience. Dyson has built its brand on a foundation of quality and superior user experience. They prioritize product performance, durability, and user satisfaction. This teaches us the importance of delivering exceptional quality and going above and beyond to create a positive user experience. By prioritizing quality, you can build customer trust and loyalty, which are essential for long-term success. The remarkable journey of Dyson and its visionary founder, James Dyson, has left an indelible mark on the world of innovation. From humble beginnings to global prominence, Dyson's revolutionary inventions and unwavering pursuit of excellence have reshaped industries and inspired countless individuals. Dyson's legacy will continue to ignite the spark of imagination, encouraging future generations to dream big, think differently, and pursue their passions relentlessly. As we conclude this captivating journey, let us remember that with ingenuity, determination, and a commitment to excellence, we can create a world where innovation knows no boundaries. Thanks for watching. Please comment, share, like, subscribe, and switch notifications on. The story continues.